Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick pomegranate salad. Yes, a pomegranate salad with pomegranate. It's the nicest. And I will tell you some of what I will be using. I'll be using spring mix. I'll be using grapes. I'll be using celery, lettuce, tomato. I used almonds. I also use spring mix. I also use cranberry. You can also add avocado. You can also add apples. There is so much you can do with and to this salad. It's really, really tasty. So I'll show you firstly how I wash my vegetables, because vegetables need to be washed and washed properly. So I wash them thoroughly and I dry them. For this, I will be using a little sugar, a little olive oil to make my sauce for this with other little mixtures in it. You can also use any dressing of your choice on this, but veggies are normally good. It's a go-to. It's healthy for us. You can also add cheese to yours. I opted to not add cheese to mine. So here you can see I'm washing my veggies and I wash them thoroughly, and then I make sure that I pat dry them to get any excess water out of this. This is tasty. Make sure you go to the store, buy your pomegranate, or make sure you always have it in your fridge. It is really, really tasty, and there are so many health benefits to this same pomegranate. So you will never lose. The taste is also so sweet. Back home, coming from Jamaica, I really loved to eat pomegranate, but I never had it in a salad until I was experimenting. Then I'm like, this tastes really, really good. So you can try this for yourself. Here I'm just quickly dicing through my lettuce to show you how I prep this, like real quick. This is my first salad bowl that I am doing. If you want, you can also do chicken breast and add this grilled to your salad with any dressing of your choice. I love balsamic vinaigrette. I did not have any, so I tried to make my own, which I didn't show you in the video because it was a hit or a miss. But my favorite is balsamic vinaigrette. For whatever reason, regular, I'll just use a little sugar, a little vinegar, a little olive oil, a little lemon juice to make a dressing for my salad if and in the case where I run out. Here I'm shredding my carrots like real quickly. Once you make this, you can toss this in your fridge. You can eat this with anything of your choice. If you choose to add more protein, which would be the meat, I added my almonds to this, my cranberry. This is like really, really healthy. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe, hit your notification bell. Please make sure you give the video a like. Please leave a comment and I will most definitely respond back to you. Again, this was a quick salad, and as I mentioned earlier, if you want to add avocado, you want to add apples, you can. This is like fully loaded. Although I didn't add any avocado or any apples in this one, but it is a fully loaded salad, which is really, really tasty. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. This is just a bonus video that I'm throwing out there for a quick and easy salad in the week. If you feel like you want no white rice to eat, you can eat the salad. Again, thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for my next video.